So automation supports you being able to move things to automation is going to be repetitive. So then you can also focus on those things that still need a human eye. We got that? So manual is a human, and automation is you actually a human using the tool to automate that process. Got it? Manual testing versus QA analyst. You guys, if you want to succeed moving forward, I need you to realize manual testing is not dying. You actually can test the front end of the application. You can do some database validation. You can do some API validation, and you can contribute to automation and actually choose automation testing, and you understand test frameworks at a high level, even if you're not an automation. So I don't care how much AI happens. A human, right, has the most logical thinking to be able to verify, is this actually doing what it's supposed to do versus against the business requirements? And then from there, once it is and it's stable, the application is considered stable, then you actually can move it into automation. Do we got that?